Hey guys, welcome back to Riding with Cash. Hope you're well and safe. This is a spot where the Great Fire of Chicago started in 1871, October 9th, at O'Leary Farms. Apparently, the fable goes, because they couldn't prove it, with how the fire started, that a cow dropped a lantern and the fire started, or some guys were gambling and the fire started because they dropped the lantern when they got caught and started running. So in the end of it, it's actually a disaster. Pretty much entire Chicago was destroyed, and this is the spot. So there's a plaque. Let's go look for the plaque. This is the Chicago landmark. This is the site of the Chicago fire in 1871. That's a fact, the Chicago fire. And it began the Chicago fire. So about 300 people died in the Great Chicago fire. It lasted about 3 days, and the entire city was destroyed. They never expected it to go that big, but because all the homes were made of wood, it went right with the whole city. So one of the stars I was talking about on the flag is dedicated to the Chicago fire. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.